Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. These two little squirrels are awesome. Of course, they got free food. I believe their home is right there in the crotch of that tree. Is that crazy? Right there. Obviously, they trust me. I pull the fence over a little bit so I can let the chickens out and I don't have to go in the pen. This is the part I like the best. If I can reach it this time, I reach the latch. Give me a moment. Settle down, Willie. Almost there. It gave way. I could reach it. And they come out. They flap their wings. They chase each other around. I open the fence. That wasn't really a crow, was it? I just got it hooked together with bread ties. They're disconnected. Usually they come out, they fly all over the place, flap their wings, chase each other. They just love that box right there. When they're done scratching and eating, they'll all end up in there several times a day. We got all this raked up yesterday. Cut down a lot of the rubbish up there. I don't like it when they climb up there. One of the yellow ones was up there yesterday. He got out. She got out. This is much better than having cats and dogs, always letting them in and out, in and out. I got a lot of the wood from over there. Brought it in, put it in the garage. It's a long walk to go all the way around, either way. Carrying all these big, heavy pieces, but it's got to be done. And squirrels are playing. They're awesome. You don't have to let those in and out either. So I only have one homesteader so far that's offered to take the chickens. That's in Toledo area. It's a long drive from Battle Creek, Michigan. There is somebody in the local area who knows a homesteader, but we don't always get along. So I don't know if that. Oh, that's awesome. The black rooster always backs down. But yeah, that would be awesome to drop these chickens in a local area. I did get 2 new tires for the long road trip if that's what I got to do. That would be a Carl Boehm channel south of Toledo. But that would have to be on a payday. I could sit here and shuck peanuts. Just enjoy the activities. Now this black squirrel will almost come all the way up to me. The gray one not so well. She's hiding. Ugh. Someday I'm going to get out of here. There's not a lot of houses that fit my budget. So I'm holding off. The market will crash soon and things will get better. For me, not for everyone else, but I got a plan. I got a perfect plan. It'll be alright. Then I'll get the goats and the rabbits and more chickens when I get to the country. I swear to goodness gracious. And have a nice sunny day.